Hey folks, sorry I don't have a tripod set up or anything, but I was doing some prepping today. Uh, Doing some rice, long-term rice storage. My first attempt. So what I've got is a 20 pound, I believe it's a 20-pound sack of rice, basmati rice. And what I'm going to be doing, Mylar bags. I bought 1 gallon bags. Got a heat sealer over here, and basically not complicated, not rocket science. I'm just filling, took a 2-cup Pyrex container, filling it to the top, and doing 3 of those in each 1 gallon Mylar bag. So I can't do that with one hand, so I'm going to chop this up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, folks. Hi. So what I'm doing here, this is pretty much going to be a faceless video. I left off just showing you the bags and such that I was prepping. Those are over there. I did 5, and 3 full cups, 3 full cups of a Pyrex 2-cup container in each bag, 1-gallon Mylar bags. And what I'm doing here, haphazardly as it seems, I'm just filling them, squeezing the air out, dating them, and going on to the next. So let me just show you what I'm doing. Tamp it down a little bit, and just make sure your scissors, your hot scissors I call them, are plugged in. Let them get up to heat, and I lay the bag down and I try to get the edges filled in as much as possible. Let me move this a little bit here. So when you lay it down with 3 cups in a gallon bag, you're pressing it out, make it flat as a pancake as you can. And then what I do is I roll it up, get the rice, pull the rice back a little bit from the edge, and use this cutting board to my advantage so I can contain the rice back in its place here. Now, what I'm going to do is take one of these oxygen absorbers, slip it in the top there. So that's laying on top of the rice inside the bag. And okay, I think my hot scissors should be pretty much warmed up here. Let's see. Yeah, they're heating up pretty quick. Let's just make sure. See if I missed anything here. I think I showed you the first one I did. Came out nice and flat. So you start off with as little air as possible in that bag. And now we're going to go one more time, squeeze to the edge as much as possible. I just want to make sure these things are, oh yeah, they're hot. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just squeezing out as much air as I can, making a seal there. Making a seal there. And in a wide bag like this, it gets a little awkward, but you can go like this. I'll show you. You can kind of squish it along the edge, but these are kind of made for going lengthwise. So you just kind of fudge it a little bit. As long as you have one seal meeting with the other seal, it's not going to go anywhere. I think that's pretty well done. That's cooked. All right, one more time here. It doesn't hurt. Give it a little extra So I think that's done. Okay. Yeah, you may see little bubbles in there, but you know, the oxygen absorber will hopefully take care of the rest of it. So we'll continue on. We'll just label that. Now, what I plan on doing is taking these flat bags, and I bought a okay, labeled. Now, see if I can get my camera over here. I bought a stainless steel pot off Amazon, and what I'm going to do is see if I can take these 1 gallon bags with the cup, with the 3 cups, I'm sorry, 3 2-cup full amount of rice, and just start layering them in. So what you end up with is kind of a, hold on a second here, kind of a pancake at the bottom, and now you can layer your way up. So, I mean, that's what I plan on doing here. Let's see if it works out. I may have to adjust it a little bit, you know, as I go along. So that's my first attempt here at heat sealing bags. I'll do another one here. I think I might have a couple of minutes of storage left on my phone. We'll come into this here. We'll flatten out the rice. Keep it pushed back away from the edge here. And we're going to, oh, don't forget my pack. You know, squeeze as much of that air out as you can get and start sealing. One end. The other end. And we'll kind of do a pull. I don't know. I don't like this pull thing here. I'd rather see it sealed all the way. Not giving you a very good view here with the camera, sorry.